same. Where you are fetching the data to show all this. It is find all. You maybe wrote somewhere find all. Yeah. So here, your product ID, name, brand. This column name and column name present in BizProd. Can you open the BizProd?
BizProd is here.
Yeah. Can you go on top?
It's
Column name, whatever you have
Mhm.
in this as an attribute name, it must match with the column name which you have in table.
database
Otherwise,
table.
yeah.
Uh-huh. That's what. So I have the name is release date, but in database I have release_date. So
Yeah,
that
that's
doesn't
why
matter.
yeah. No,
So
it's matter. If this mismatch, that value should not come. It's coming, you are saying?
yeah, release date is coming, and this first 3 is not coming.
Because brand name, prod underscore ID, you just check it, it is same as an attribute name. I don't think so.
Let me just take a snip.
Sir, it's not same.
That's why it's not coming. And release date, I'm confused with I don't know, underscore date.
Yeah.
It is
So
come.
it's prod ID and prod underscore ID. Prod ID is not
Yeah.
coming, but release date is release_date, and release date is coming.
That's weird. You are
Yeah.
saying release underscore date is coming, so it might be taking
Yes.
it, right? Even though it is underscore, it may be taking.
Uh-huh.
Interesting. Hmm. But you understand why prod ID, prod name, prod brand is not coming, right? Because your column
Okay.
is totally different.
Yeah, I was going to fix it, and just I realized that release
I
date
can
is.
I can tell you very easy solution to
Uh-huh.
fix it. Right? In your query, in prod ID, you can give prod ID. Can you go in the
Uh-huh.
query? I can tell you. Not here.
Oh, in query. Okay.
Yeah, in query itself.
But I have to change the database as well, right?
No,
So
not
that's
nothing.
that's the
Not
only
that.
solution we have, right?
I'm telling you, very simple solutions. Can you go to the query? Can you go to the DAO? Here, whatever column name you have, you can give the alias name to it.
Oh,
Using,
as
I'm telling you,
prod ID
as,
as prod ID.
as.
Okay. Okay, we'll do that then.
Okay.
So use prod select prod ID name as prod name, brand is prod name,
Yeah.
prod brand, right? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we'll do that. Thank you.
No problem. Uh, uh, okay. I think we are doing good. Hmm? Anybody have any question query for me? Yes, no? Not replying. Please, anybody have any question query for me? No?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Nagendra, I'm trying to upload the single photo, and then I was facing issue. I asked Ahmad, and then he said he
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
have at the
You
right
can
place.
show me. Let's try 2 or 3 minutes quickly. If it doesn't work, we can try in last. Just make me just share screen please quickly.
Okay.
What we are going to today? Okay.
That's
We have to.
yeah. Now I try to upload the multiple, but I'm facing problem with single.
That's okay. One you are one. It was working. One photo.
No. This is what I was facing problem, and then since I couldn't make the one photo, I was trying to upload multiple photos. I just start right now to
If it
all.
is not working for one, it cannot work for multiple.
Uh,
Just okay. You can show me in the last.
yeah,
After the after
let
the
me just.
session.
Hello?
I'm saying after session we can try in the last. No
Okay.
worries.
All right.
Okay, what's we are going to do next is yesterday we have seen magic. We are able to upload multiple photos. Your project was I have to teach you certain thing. This this controller is clear to write. First of all, this is clear, right? Model attribute is doing what here. Yesterday thing, I hope you did practice. And here what we should write. Any guess? As we discussed, here we should write what? Help me. Request param. String name. It is correct, guys. And deleted. We're not applying.
String
Then
name.
model. Yeah. Model dot. Sorry, it should be p name.
Name. Yes, sir.
If this name and input parameter is different, then you cannot write like this. Okay. Then you have to write name here and p name here. Understand my point? In which case, if this name and this name are different, remember it. Model dot we have to write add attribute. Clear, people? Yeah, it's too clear, not clear, too clear. My dear friends, you tell me, this code already we wrote somewhere. Yes, you have to reply also. What I said, let me copy paste. Please be smart. Which you are. Where it is? You are not replying. Like here, to show all the code, we have this. This action is doing what? Anybody tell me? You have to reply. This action is just when you hit this action, it is showing all the bees data. Am I right or not? Huh? Nobody is replying.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are smart, you tell me this code is going to be repeat or not? This code. Again, you guys are not replying. Hello. See, I don't know. I'm audible. I'm confused now.
Yes, yeah, we can hear you.
What about other people? I'm not getting reply from anybody. Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So, and I don't want to listen. Like I don't understand this. Remember it. If you're not asking questions and not saying anything. So what I'm saying is, you see this code and this code are same code, right? So here, instead of going to the next view, you can hit this URL, Ashma. How? In order to hit this URL, here you can write this syntax: redirect colon slash, and you understand this part? Redirect means you are saying I don't want to go to the GSP. Redirect means we don't want to go to
JSP.
JSP. You want to go to this action, right? So what is the benefit of it? Asma, no need to write this code. I deleted it. Why? Because you said, hey, go to this, right? When you hit this action, it will go and fetch the data and show it. I hope you understand this style.
Yeah. But how
After
to go
that,
to? Okay.
and this is syntax. Redirect means you are going to hit this URL, and when you hit this URL, it will show you, paste all the data, add into the request scope, and eventually it will go to the GSP. Fine. So no need to repeat this syntax. No need to repeat this code. I hope I'm making myself clear. Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can do other places also where we are doing similar thing. I don't know. We are doing similar thing. What about here? Yep. The delete this. And what about here? Ashma? Yep. No? You got it? Yes, I got it. It's clear, right? Done. And another thing is, I told you many times, we don't need this, right? We hate it. Yes, So if your name, brand, and DID you are getting, so how you can get it? We have model attribute. We have to digest it. Okay, we have no other way. Where is my model attribute? Huh? We don't have anywhere. Somewhere, yeah. In biz, क्या तो वो तुम बोले मुझे आइडिया नहीं है just a second guys okay so that's fine Asma what I was thinking is I was trying to use model attribute but I cannot use name brand for the ID you know why because in biz we don't have EID right it is ID hmm you got what I'm saying
Yes, sir.
name brand so I'm not going to change anything in this but I would like to use request param over here string name string string brand and any guess hey
DID.
yeah request param is optional also Ashma
Yes, sir.
if
ID.
this and this are same you know your param name and this is same then it is optional so simply you can write this also it will also work fine I'm just converting everything I just bring MBC I'm not going to use anywhere best TP servlet request so now nah, we don't need this also right how we can do that yep simply you have to write integer hey, but here I want my variable name different so I can write request param in double quotes I can write ID so I'm reading request.get parameter and I want to assign to the variable string that is why I'm doing like this what simply we can use integer dbid right and tick and tick it's gone dbid right Ooh, cool Up everywhere we are good to go
So that that was the variable ID, string variable.
Here,
No, whenever you did that, yeah,
where I'm doing it.
yep. I think delete.
To delete base ID.
Yeah,
Yeah. This is called request.get parameter. When you are reading it,
yeah.
it is coming string and you are typecasting into the integer
Okay,
parameter. So it
okay,
is straightforward because of the Spring MVC.
okay.
And since we need to carry data from here to, you can use model and add attribute. It's done. Okay, I'm just giving some assignment to you guys. Okay, you can do it. Let me run it. This assignment everybody has to do. Remember it. So today you go and spend some time and do this assignment. Today I'm planning to teach you some new topic because throughout the code I would like to use Java 8. Hmm? I'll teach you Java 8 today. Let's try. Let's go it.
Okay.
So here we have so base. Everything is coming. Hmm? The one assignment I want to do is you listen to me very carefully, okay? And this is not easy. Uh, let's divide into two parts. So, one thing you just here everywhere we have what button?
Delete.
Delete button, right? Mm-hmm. Similarly, uh, everywhere you can have everywhere we can have edit button. You guys are following me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Edit button. What I want is when somebody click on it, you can open either pop-up. I don't know how I'll do it. Or you can, either you can open pop-up or why I'm not able to do it. Very bad. Either you can open pop-up or you can open the new page. So when you click on this, you have to open the pop-up like this, or you can open the new page. You got a point? New page. On this new page, what you have to show it, here you can show the name of the fruit. For example, like this fruit name is Technohunk, like this. And here you can see image, right? So what image you can show? Suppose you click on this apple. So you can show the current apple, right? And here you may have, image. And here, you can have that select image, select image, input type file, or forget it.
Yes, sir.
Input type equals to file. So basically my intention is here you can select new image, okay? So what I want is here you can have a button, and when you click on this button, then that particular image should be updated. Ashma, you got my point?
Yes, sir.
So you have to update the particular image. Following me? Yep,
Yes, sir.
that's great. Another thing is, look here. I want you should have two button. I don't know how you'll do it. Okay. In every row you can have two button. That's fine. So what you need to do is when you click on this button, right? So all the image, right, should shift to one position left. Meaning, if you click on this, right? So this photo will go in the last, right? And all other photo will shift to one position left. Asma, you got my point?
Yes.
And when you click on this right, then this is in the beginning. So it will come in the last, and this will go to second, and this will go to first.
Yes.
I hope you got it. So this is in this way you are rotating your image. So in this we have two assignment. Anybody have any confusion regarding it? Please let me know. And somebody just send me the message on WhatsApp group, please, if possible. Just say hello. So here we have two assignment, right? Assignment number one is assignment one, update image. Assignment two is assignment two, rotate image. I have other assignment also. So it is up to you. So let me show you other. This is the two assignment we have. Let me give you the third and fourth. So you can prioritize it as per the complexity. Like whatever you feel it is easy for you, you do it first. So this is the first assignment. Let me give you the next one. Regarding assignment, if you have any question, it's not clear to you, let me know. I'll help you.
The second one is not so much clear for me. Could you explain a little bit more for me, please?
Yeah. But in second one, I'm coming to that. Third and fourth. Third one is easy. You can have a two button over here. You know, every column where you can have two button, and when you click on this brand and name, it should be sorted as ascending and descending, Ashma.
Okay.
Fine, name and brand only. So assignment number 3 is, please do it positively. Assignment 3, ascending and descending. That's great. Last. Like here, we have a lot of data, Ashma. But what I want is, I want you should display only 3 at a time. So what would happen? So here you can show 1, 2, 3 record of total. Like total we have 45. Ashma with me? You are just showing only 3 record, okay? This is called pagination. So here you can have two button, previous and next. Are you following me? When you say next, when you click on the next button here, so it will show you previous 3, means 4 to 6 of 45. Got it or confused? Again you click on, so it will show you 7 to 9. Asma, is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when you do previous, it will go to the previous. This is called pagination. What this is called?
Paging.
This is called pagination. You guys understood, or it's confusing?
It's
Huh?
clear.
Yeah, requirement is clear, and how to do it, that may be complex.
Yeah.
So this is assignment number 4. Now you have enough thing in your hand to do.
Is it all for tomorrow?
No, no, it's not. It's not. If you
Okay.
can do, it's fine. I don't have any problem.
I was just asking.
Okay. Nobody can say, hey, I don't have anything in my hand. You have anything. Done. Now let's enjoy. Oh, somebody says assignment number 2 is not clear. Hmm? In assignment number 2, what I said. Here we have 2 button everywhere, right? So what you need to do is you are not applying a button. Like here, this button is independent button, independent image, right? This you cannot rotate. Why? It is coming from the first table, right?
Yeah.
Hello. If you can rotate, it's fine. Okay? If it doesn't, you can't rotate, it's okay. So when you click on this button, can you see this button? So what happened? All the image will go left. So this is already rightmost. So when you click on this button, this will go to the first place, right? And other will, this will go to this place, and this will go to this place, right? And this will go to this place. Yeah, you are just pushing it, right? When you click on it, so you are pushing all the image one position right. The image which is in the last, it will come to the first place. This is clear now.
Yeah.
This is
This is just like I think I did a similar assignment. It's just like if you have A, B, C, D, E, then it becomes B, C, D, E, A, like that, right?
you are right. You are right. That's the A, B, C, D, E. So when you move it one position right. So what happened? E will come in the beginning, right? That's it. B, C, D. Am I correct? Yep.
Yes.
You are pushing A. Everything you are pushing one position left. So A, B, C, and the element which is in the last, it will go to the beginning. I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yes.
Done. Sir, who has asked this question, please?
It's me, Sinadins.
Sinadin, is clear to you now? I still confused.
No, now it's clear.
Please do it.
Okay.
You guys
I
may
will,
be feeling
I will
hungry
try.
after seeing so many fruits. Interesting. Yeah, I want everybody should feel hunger in my session. Simple. Okay, so it is done. This is done. This is my which assignment? Assignment 2. Already I think I sent you. People may be thinking, oh my god, what kind of image are coming? Done. A lot. Okay, now let's enjoy. Anybody have any question query for me? No question. Thank you. I'm going to teach you one of the important topic. That is called Java 8. Ready? Yes, ready. Why I'm teaching Java 8 first? Any guess? Because Java 8 I'm planning to use everywhere. That's why. Okay. Anybody have idea about Java 8 already? A, B, C, D. Anybody have idea about it?
No.
No. That's good. That's nice. Okay. See, in Java 8, we have a lot of features. So I'm just showing you. Java 8 is a Java 8. Yep. We have a lot of release, right? Like JDK 1.0, JDK 1.2, JDK 5, JDK. You know it, right? Now I think we have Java 14 and JDK. You have to answer it. JDK 8 and JDK 11, maybe 9, 10. But Java 8 and 11 are stable version. Hello. Yep. JDK 7 also. Whatever I'm showing here, that is different release of it. You have to help me. Yes, helping you this much. My focus will be on what? Java 8.
Java 8.
Little bit I can teach you 11 and 9. Java 10 does not have much feature. If you know Java 8 and 11, you know everything, right? So, but little bit we can talk about Java 9. That's my plan. So I'm not going to make you bored. I will teach you a little bit no, Spring also. So Java 9. See, practical is important. So I'm telling you, whatever we are doing, go and do practical for it. Yep, we are doing it. Okay, so in Java 8, these are the feature which was introduced. Default method interface to have default method implementation. So let's talk about the first thing. This I have already image with me, which will make my job easy, I guess. Okay, my friends, see, you know interface. Who will tell me about the interface? Answer my question. A lot of people are there. We have a crowd. Hmm? I wanted to know what is the interface and what, or you can say, what do you know about the interface? This is one of the most frequently asked questions in the interview. Yes. Okay. Nobody interested to answer my question. Let me call Barsha. Can you answer my question, please?
Interface is a kind of class that has all abstract method, so it's 100% abstract.
It is 100% abstract. Okay. Why we design the interface? That's my question.
To cope with the diamond problem in Java, right?
Hmm. What is diamond problem in Java? That
We cannot extend more than two classes if it's a regular class, because
okay.
JDK gets confused when we call it. That's what. So that is what diamond problem is.
Very good. Very good. So this is one of the reason why interface we have. But what is the main reason? Your answer is right.
So if we want to implement more than two interfaces, we can do that.
Okay, that's good. Okay, interface. I think you're right. Interface is basically used to expose the functionality. Expose. Meaning is, like, if you are designing some system implementation and you want somebody should not know your implementation, what you can do, you can design the interface so that he can access your implementation without knowing its internal detail. Hmm? That's fine. So, you know, agenda is default method. So as you said, Barsha, you said in interface is pure abstract method. Sorry, pure abstract class. You said like that. Hmm?
Yes.
Not replying. Okay. So, but in Java 8, now you can define the method. Can you see this? Here we have interface Manisha. In Manisha, we have one abstract method run, but we have a default method. Can you see this? Default public void pool. Earlier, before Java 8, in the interface, you can only declare the method, but now you can give the default, you can give the definition by using default keyword. So do you know in Java, how many places we use default keyword? Any guess? Basha. In Java, how many places we use default keyword? Answer is 2 places. One is
Um,
inside the switch. Second, you can use inside interface. Confused? These are the 2 places where we use which keyword? Default keyword.
can we
So
say access modifiers too?
yeah, this is not access modifier. You can say, right, modifier, because it is going to modify the behavior of it. That's okay. This is keyword, right? Default is a keyword. Don't say modifier, right? It is only keyword. You can use in switch in order to give the default switch behavior, right? If anything does not match, so it will be the last option. I hope I'm making myself clear. Yep. And but you can see this default. You can give the definition and you can have static method also. So in Java 8, your interface can have, answer my question, default method as well as, you are not replying.
Abstract method.
No, abstract method already you have. New thing is you can have default method and static method.
Okay.
So this is the two thing which was introduced in Java interface. Anybody have any question query regarding this?
No, sir. So far, it's good.
Clear. Then we have concept of functional interface. Wow. What is the functional interface? Important. Before functional interface, I would like to talk about marker interface. Anybody heard about marker interface? Please reply. You have to say yes,
No,
no, I don't know.
No, no, sir.
no, no.
Marker interface is an interface which does not have anything. Blank interface is called marker interface. And Java uses this concept many places. I can write some name of the marker interface: serializable, clonable, remote, event listener, random access. You know what these are?
No, sir.
These are marker interface. If you open this interface, it would be blank. I can show you. I'm going to show you the marker interface. You can write here serializable, and if you open it, in this we don't have anything. It is blank. I hope I'm making myself clear. Blank means interface which does not have any attribute and method declaration. It is called marker interface. Barsha, you got my point?
Yes.
A marker interface is basically used to take special decision by the Java virtual machine. I will show you many marker interface. Okay. I don't know. Have you gone through the topic that is called cloning in Java?
No.
No.
So in Java we have concept of silo cloning and deep cloning. Right. So when you do the cloning, this marker interface is used. Another place, I don't know, have you gone through one topic that is called serialization and deserialization related with file handling? I'm just asking, if it is not covered, I will
No,
teach you.
not covered.
So we will cover that topic also. So this is not a two full places where we use this. We use many other places. So we learn by doing concept. So marker interface you can define interface which does not interface which does not have any attribute and method declaration. Hmm? Interface which is blank. You understand meaning of the blank? Interface which is blank is called marker interface. Confused? No? Right. And now next question is, what is the functional interface? That is my agenda. Interface which contains only one abstract method is called functional interface. Barsa, you got my point? Interface which contains only one abstract method is called functional interface. So you know in Java, when you declare the method, by default it is what? You guys are not replying. When you declare the interface and you don't give the method definition, it is by default abstract. Public, void, run. Right? And this question goes to public, void, moon. If I'm giving here definition, I can write default. Next, I can write static method also. How? Public static void main. Sorry, Ashma. You tell me what I talked about functional interface which contains only no not only one abstract method. Again I'm sticking to my definition. Interface which contains only one method declaration, or you can say only one abstract method. Interface which contains only one abstract method is called functional interface. Asma, what about
Yes.
Mocha? This Mocha is a functional interface or not? You have to give me the answer yes or no. Is it functional interface? Is it functional interface? Asma, think and tell me. See the definition and let me know. Is it functional interface? Ashma, you can, if you don't know, say I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Barsa, what about you?
So
Yes, you know.
yes,
Okay. Can you explain it? You answer right.
because it has one default method.
Okay. Answer is in this public void run. Public void run is abstract method because in abstract method is what? Ashma, abstract method is what? A method which does not have definition. I don't know. This has been taught to you or not. Abstract method is a method without definition. Do you guys know the definition of the abstract method?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Method without definition is called abstract method. Let me write it. Method without definition is called method without definition is called abstract method. I can tell you, right? You here you're writing public void path. This method does not have definition. Then you have to write abstract keyword over here. That's cool. So in last interface, we have public void run, and this is not having definition. That's why it is abstract keyword is there. But second one is default, and third one is static. So how many abstract method we have in this way in this?
One.
Only one. So interface which contains only one abstract method, that is called only one abstract method. That's why it is called
Functional interface.
functional interface. What about one? One is functional interface.
Okay.
Yep.
Mm,
Yep.
yes.
Yep. It has only one method. What about two? First and two is same.
Yeah. Yeah.
First, two, and third
Yes.
all are same. Okay.
Mhm.
That's good. Okay. So if any interface is functional interface, you can use this annotation on top of it. I will teach you annotation. I don't know. Annotation has been covered for you.
Well,
Annotation has been covered for you.
yeah, we
No?
just learned about it on like servlet web annotation.
Okay. Annotation I will teach you. What is the annotation, when it was introduced, what is the purpose of it, how many types of annotations are there, how to write our custom annotations, and how you can process it using reflection. Fine. So, hello, this annotation ensure you have only one. This is your functional interface. Let me show you practically. I'm teaching you which topic? Java 8. You guys have to be very, active in my session. I don't know. Otherwise, you will feel sleepy. Java 8. Like here, I'm just writing one interface, and this is called functional interface. You have to tell me it is or not. No? This is functional interface? No, it is marker interface. But when you write some method is like pick. a picker. So this become which interface? Functional interface. And if it's functional interface, you can use this notation. This notation will give you the guarantee. This is functional interface. If you are trying to add some more method, it will give you the compile time error. I hope you understand the purpose of this notation. This
Yes.
notation is kind of check. If you put this notation on the interface, this notation will ensure you have only one abstract method inside it. I hope I'm making myself clear. So what we have learned, guys?
How to create a functional interface.
Functional interface. We understand marker interface, we understand functional interface, and we understand what are the changes has been done in Java 8 regarding interface. Done. Cool. Now, the next topic which I have to teach you is anonymous class. What class? Cool. Anonymous class. So before talking about anonymous class, we should know a little bit about inner classes. I don't know. Have you done inner classes? Say no. Hmm?
No, sir.
Oh, good, good. If you say no, it's good. Why? Whatever I will teach you, you will go through it. Simple. I'm coming to my point. Uh, Inner class. Inner class. Normally we have four type of it. I'm not going to tell you. Let me show you some example. Quickly and quickly and quickly. A class. I'm just writing a class. I'm trying to. I don't know. Let me write for you. Okay, no problem. I'm just writing a class. My class is outer. Like here, this class is not inside any other class. So this class is called top level class. Why this is called top level class? Any guess?
It's the only class.
Yeah, this is not inside any other class, top level. And on top level class, here you can have either public or default. You cannot write protected and private. Remember it. This is one of the most frequently asked interview question. And even you cannot use static keyword on top level class. Does not make sense. Got it? So on top level class, what we cannot write? Static, private, and protected. You cannot write all those things. Protected. And even abstract keyword. These are no, sorry, abstract keyword is possible. This is outer class. Like inside this outer class, I am making inner class, right? See, when you make a class inside, can I make a class inside another class? Answer my question.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we can make it. This is normal member. Here you can write private, protected, and public. So this is inner class, and this is non-static inner class. Like here, inner class you can only access with the help of outer class. This inner class we can access how? With the instance of inclosing class. Inclosing means the class inside which it is present. So my friend, you have to just remember some rule. Outer class, what kind of member I can declare? Any guess? You are not replying. I can declare instance variable. You know, we can declare non-instance variable, static also. Yes or no? You're not replying. Hmm? Sir, if everybody is sleeping, nobody will reply, then how I can teach you?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay. I want please at least one or two people. You can motivate me. Here, this is clear. You can say, I know. Why what are you teaching it? This is very fundamental and we know everything. Oh, I know you know everything. Show m equals to m. That's correct. And here I can also write n equals to n. That's correct. And here in inner class, Ashma, you have to understand. In inner class, we can only declare integer. Ooh, we can only declare p. We can only declare instance variable. You cannot make a static variable. Let me do that, and I will tell you the reason. If you try to write, and I'm telling you earlier, I was mugging a lot. I always forget it. What I said? In inner class, you can't which you cannot make static. Why? Like static keyword only makes sense when you can load the class, because static only in the sense when you can load the class. Inner classes you cannot load it. That's why you cannot have static inside it. Asma, my question answer. Inner class we can't load with the help of outer class. Are you following me? Inner class you cannot load with the help of outer class. That's why this is important, otherwise you have to mug it. That's why we can't declare anything static inside it. Confused or got it my point?
Okay, what do you mean by we cannot load the inner class? Like we cannot access the inner class inside of
No. Accessing is different thing.
Okay.
Actually, when you deal with a class, normally I use two things: loading the class and instantiating the class. Both are different thing. Asma, hey, I'm saying I'm giving one statement. You tell me, hey, I'm just loading the class. It means I'm not instantiating it, right? But when I'm saying, hey, I'm instantiating the class, it means first of all I'm loading it in the memory and then I'm making an object of it. It's clear? Again, you are not replying.
Yes, sir.
Like here, inner class, inside the inner class, what we came to know just now, we cannot declare
static.
static. But you think, right, it is going to be called with the help of outer object, right? Outer object will create an inner object. So in this show method, I can call everything. Can I call P? Of course, here we can, right? So this is this is show P, right? Okay, can we call M and both? Asma, yes. Because why I can call M and
Because it's
Because
inside
it
the
is the
scope of.
inner class.
yeah, inner class is created with the help of outer class object. If this object is created, then only this will be called. That time M and N both will be available. What do you say?
Okay, so you're saying if the instance of the outer class is made, then only the inner classes will be loaded.
Exactly.
Called. Okay.
Inner class cannot exist without outer class. That's why when inner class you will call a method, that time outer class is instantiated, then M and N both will be ready. So not replying. Let me make an up. That you have to just remember this much. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes,
you
sir.
can add a main method. Like I want to call this show X method. What I need to do? Somebody saying what? Make an object of outer class. Yes, you know. Outer, new, outer. Then I can say outer dot help me show X. E you got it or confused? No. Now I want to make an object of which class? Inner class. Ashma. In order to get an object of inner class, we need outer class instance. Already we have. So this is interesting. I can say, hey outer dot new. Ashma. I want to make an object of inner class. You see the interesting syntax?
Yeah.
First time you may be seeing, right? Object name dot new inner. Or you can write like this also. Can you see this? New outer dot new outer, new inner. It is up to you. Okay. So where you want to assign to it? You can assign to outer dot inner. Confused? Hello. Nobody replying.
It's
You got the
just
special syntax? Actually, you may be seeing this first time. That's why.
Yes. Yes, sir.
But this is interesting. So you can use both the syntax. First one, second one. Both are the same. I have done with the inner classes. So somebody would say, what is the inner classes? You can say when you define a class, and this class is a normal class, right? But I will show you just now. You can make it static also. Asma, I hope you understand inner classes.
yeah.
So this is the example of inner classes. I have done. Anybody have any question, query, please?
So, Professor, once we make the object of outer class and we point it to the inner class, can we call the method of the outer class from the inner class object that we pointed earlier?
Yeah. You can do that. Your question is, but you cannot call directly, right? You cannot say this object dot this, right? That's
No.
not possible.
Mm.
You can't do it, right? Inner object dot show x, you cannot call it, but indirectly you can call it. How? This show internally can call uh, outer class method. Can you see this?
Mm.
Or I can tell you interesting syntax. You may be confused. Outer dot this dot, hello. Outer means this class. This means I'm pointing to the outer class object and show. But don't want you to be confused. We can directly call also. How, man? So x dot not replying.
Yes.
Okay, when we this is that sometime, let me confuse you. I can make a method with the same name also. My friend,
Mm.
a, a big confusion. Oh my god, what confusion? If you only call show x, so which method you can call? This will point to this method. Am I right?
Yes.
You're not replying. This show is going to call own method first. Now question is how I can call my outer class method. What you can do? Then you have to use this syntax. Outer dot this dot hey outer. Your this means hey outer. Your current your instance method I want to call. So special syntax. Hey, I wanted to call what your instance method. Hey outer class. You got confused?
Yes.
Not replying. Yes.
So,
Yeah.
No. If you confuse, you can leave it. Okay, not a problem because it's not required. It's fine. You
So
got
in
the
the inside the inner class, will that be like overriding without being a child class?
where
The
we are overriding. For overriding, we need inheritance, and in this equation, we don't have inheritance at all.
but it could inherit the so x before we
No, no,
create it.
no, no, no. It's not inheriting. It is using, right?
Yeah.
Let me tell you. I lay an example. In the OOPS concept, we have two kind of relationship. Has a relationship, is a relationship, and inheritance is a relationship. Are you following me?
Uh-huh.
Right now, outer class has inner class. It is a has a relationship, right? For
Mm-hmm.
example, I suppose I have a monkey, right? So you can say,
Mm-hmm.
hey, Nagen, you have a monkey, right? Because monkey and relationship between monkey and me, it is has a relationship. I has a monkey, I has a car, right? You never say, hey, I am monkey, right? Because I have monkey. No, that is incorrect, right?
Yeah.
Hello, nobody can say I am monkey. Why? Because I have monkey. That is incorrect. Am I right? Somebody wants to become a monkey. What he has to do? He has to extend monkey, right? Extend, and that is not possible, right? Can we extend we are an object, right? Uh, Once object is created, you can't change its behavior. Am I right or not? Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you following me?
Mm-hmm.
So This relation is not a each relationship. In each relationship, which concepts come? Overriding. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know it's clear to you or not. Like here, I'm not doing anything. My inner class method can call outer class method. That's it. Problem is, in my inner class, I have same method with outer class. So if you simply see so, it will call this method. But if you want to call outer class method, what is the syntax? Outer dot this dot method name. Clear? That's it.
Barsha, I think he's referring to method overloading because both of the methods have the same name
No,
written
no,
in
no.
different
If
way.
it is same, but you see the context here. Method overriding, we have two classes, super class and child class, right?
Yeah.
But here we don't have super class and child class, right? We have inner class. That's why even though this method signature and this method signature are same, but it is not a method overriding. You got a point?
Yeah.
This is not method overriding. Reason, Ashima, why it is not method overriding? Because we don't have parent and child relationship.
Yeah.
Here we do not have parent and child relationship. I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Relationship done. Okay. I will take your 2 or 3 minutes more. I'm going to make a another inner class, but you see little bit difference. Outer. I'm going to make it static. Static. I need your help. Don't try to mug it, okay? Like here we have static inner class. Ashima. Everything is same, but the class which is a normal class I am making static. So you understand the difference between previous code and this code? Ashima. Ashima.
Yes, sir. But
Where she is? Like what is the change between? Let me tell you. This is the class, and this class is earlier it was a non-static class. Now it's become static. So what rule we have? Like in order to make an object of static inner class, we don't need an object of outer class. What I said?
in order to make object of static
You
inner
know, in
class.
previous example, what I did. If you want to make an object of inner class, you have to make an object of outer class first. But if it is static inner class, then no need to make object of outer class. That's one thing. And second thing is, Asma, I said inner class can access only, uh, you know, uh, inner class can access everything of the outer. And I said my inner class cannot have static variable, but here it can have. Static inner class can have which kind of variable inside?
Static.
Static. Earlier it was not, right? Asma.
Yes, sir.
Earlier it was not. Make sense? But
Yeah.
but you need to understand static inner class is also known as nested class. What I said?
Yes, sir.
Static inner class is also known as nested inner class. Please remember it. You understand the nested inner class? Yes. If a class static inner class is called nested class. Ashma, in nested class, static inner class, you can have nested class or static inner class. In this, we can have static, non-static both, right? Why? Because static class can be loaded. What I said? This class, this class, we can load with the help of outer class. This inner class we can access with the instance of no. This inner class we can access
Without
without
without the
instance of
instance of
enclosing class. Yeah, enclosing means outer class. This class we can load with the help of outer class. That is correct.
So, like, even if
The
the inner class is static and the outer class is not static, we can still access that
outer
class.
class cannot be static. I told you already, right?
Yeah.
Outer out.
Yes.
So outer class is non-static. It is for sure. Inner class. If inner class is static, you can directly access it. right? And static inner class cannot access static variable of outer class. That is important. Static, what is it? Inner class can't access. What is it? Static inner class can't access static variable of outer class. Why? Because just a second. I'm sorry. I just said opposite. Static inner class can access, I should say, can access only static variable or method of outer class.
Yeah, that was my question.
Yeah, let me tell you. Reason is there. Asma, static inner the earlier inner class can access everything of the outer class. Am I right? But static says static inner class can access only static variable of outer class. Asma, why?
Yes, sir.
Reason is if you call this, you cannot give the guarantee object of outer class is created. You cannot give the guarantee, right? Because inner class you can access with the help of outer class. Are you following me? So you cannot give the guarantee non-static variable that time will be instantiated. Are you following me? Non-static variable will be only instantiated when you have object of the outer class. I hope I'm making myself clear. Why inner class cannot access static non-instance means only it can access static variable of outer class. It is clear to you? Again, I'm repeating it,
Yes. Yes, sir.
guys. Do you understand why static inner class can access only static variable of outer class, inclosing class? Because this class anybody can access with the help of outer class without making instance of it. Because in order to make the instance of this non-static variable and method, you need to make an object of it. That's reason. Okay.
I
So
have a
as yeah, go ahead.
no. My question is like, if a class is static, let's say in this one, the inner class is static, right? So
Hmm.
if the class is static, you don't have to create an object to access its methods or
No.
variables.
Class is static or not doesn't matter. If
Okay.
class, but in order to access static method, you can call with the help of class. But in order to access non-static method, you have to make an object of it. Same rule. Are
Yeah.
you following me? This static only ensure this inner class is going to access static variable of outer class. That's it.
Okay.
Got a point?
Yes, sir.
So here, Asma, I can access P, I can access Q, right? Q I can access because it is within the class, all right? But you know what you cannot access?
And
You cannot access M. Why? Because M is non-static.
non-static.
And show you can access. And what about this? Like if you want to access outer class, simply you can write like this. Sorry, I did mistake. Give me a second. As per the rule, I'm just thinking, can we access this anywhere? No. Let me try. Mhm. Give me a second. You cannot call at all. Why? Same reason. Ashima, this method you can call when we have object of outer class. Am I right?
Yeah.
So this can be accessed. This method can be called with the help of outer class without making an object of it. So you cannot call the show method. What about this static method, Ashima? Think and tell me. Suppose we have one static method.
We
Wow.
should be able to
Right?
access it.
Yeah, static anybody can access it because static method, if you want to call, we don't need instance of the outer class. Wow. Right? So if you want to call it, what you need to do?
Make the object of the outer class.
Class name of the outer class, same funda. Dot. Wow. It's clear to you, guys? Done. Now I'm doing a little fast. If you want to make an object of inner class Asma, what do you have to do? Simple. But you have to use outer class name dot inner class Asma, and here you can use new operator. Simple. You got confused or got my point?
Sorry, your screen's frozen on my side.
Uh,
So.
it's always happen.
Yeah, I know.
N dot.
Okay.
You are not replying. N dot. What about the other people? You got the funda? Like here, if I want to make an object of inner class, I am making an object of outer class here. Answer my question.
Yes.
He. I'm not making an instance of what?
Outer class.
I'm not making instance of outer class here. Ashma. Simply I'm doing new. Like here I'm using outer class dot inner. So I'm making an object of outer class or inner class here.
Inner.
Yeah. Here we are making an object of inner class directly with the help of
Outer class.
outer class. I have done. Please, I'm going to share this code and you can have a look on it. That's fine.
Yeah.
I'm telling you one thing today. Okay, if you want to become champ in Java, you must have good knowledge in core Java. I'm telling you. Without core Java, you can't do anything. Yes, you know.
Yes, Professor.
Yes, sir.
Oh, one thing I'm telling you. When I speak with you guys, you also try to interact with me. Okay, so when you come for my session, you just take some breakfast or lunch, whatever, right? So that you can feel energetic in the session. That's fine. If
Yes,
I
sir.
say yes, you can say yes, right? You should
Yes,
be
sir.
more louder compared to me. You know, you should be
Okay,
more
I may
louder
be
than me. Hmm.
wrong in
Okay.
one thing, but
Yep.
in our core, while we had done the core Java, I don't think we went over the static and non-static methods and everything else in
This
detail.
one,
Yeah, I don't
okay,
remember doing it in detail like this.
no
I
problem.
just
You
know
can,
that if it is static, it can be accessed anywhere else in the class, and we don't have to
no
do anything.
problem. You guys go and review this code, and
Yeah.
whatever problem you have, let me know. I'll teach you. Because then again, this topic is not clear to me. So who will tell me? You guys will tell me. It's fine.
Okay.
So core Java is one of my favorite topic. I'm telling you. I always enjoy when I teach core Java. It's fine. And I'm telling you, whatever you know, right? I will definitely teach you some new thing everywhere, right? And the way I will teach you, you guys are not going to memorize it, right? No need to do it. Understand the concept. Hmm? Fine. So Java is 8 is one of the very interesting topic. I will teach you in much detail. And after once we have done with core Java 8 feature, I'm going to utilize those feature in my projects. Okay, that's why I'm teaching you ahead. Mhm. That's cool. So what I'm going to do is this code I'm directly going to put it on your WhatsApp. And this diagram also, right? I have many diagrams. Of course, I'll share with you. Let me give to you. Giving. Just fine, guys. I have done for today, right? Code also I'll push it. Okay, I did some code refactoring, so you'll get it. So I have done for today. Bye bye. See you next session because my other trainer is waiting. So your problem?
Yes.
Okay, your problem I'll solve separately.
All right.
I'll send you, just buzz me on chat. I'll send you the new link
All right.
because my other trainer is waiting for this. So that's why. Yeah, my friend.
Can you please share the Monday and Tuesday recording on the group?
I shared the last recording, Tuesday recording. Monday we didn't make because there was no space on the server. But study recording I shared it. You can check it.
It's not in the group.
No, I sent you. If you have a link, I just uploaded it today. Can you see this? No, not this one. Can you see this? Here we have. Let me share it. Hmm?
Okay, thank you.
So you can get study recording here. This is the study one. Fine. I'm going to buzz on chat also. Okay, friends. So this much is enough. You have enough thing in your hand to do. Please go and enjoy and come back tomorrow. Fine. Then. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.